Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting by verifying activation and making sure prerequisites are ready. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation to see if Windows reports activated or not. If you have a product key, note it down. If it's a digital license linked to your Microsoft account, make sure you're signed in. Create a system restore point and backup important files now so you can roll back if anything goes wrong. Once done, you're ready to move into fixes and settings changes. Now perform the core actions to remove the notification. If activation shows not activated, click Troubleshoot and follow the dialog. It can automatically reactivate linked digital licenses. If you have a 25-character key, choose Change Product Key and enter it carefully. Mistyped characters will fail. Make sure your Microsoft account is linked to the PC. A connected account often restores activation. If you switched hardware recently, choose the option saying you changed device. Finish by restarting and confirming the notification is gone in Settings Activation. If Settings didn't accept your key, advanced users can run slmgr. VBS commands from an elevated command prompt. Install the key with slmgr/ip your key, then attempt online activation with slmgr/auto. These force Windows to talk to activation servers. Make sure network access is available. Troubleshooting tip. If activation still fails after retries and correct key, contact Microsoft support and explain
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.